Because it's very easy, like losing muscle, like losing skeletal muscle without working it. So can our community, or our sense of, I don't know, our willingness to build our friendships and foster our friendships. It's like, oh, I'll just watch television. No, it's so important to keep pushing ourselves,
Yeah,
especially after the pandemic, to just keep getting out there.
yeah. It's important because um, in the world today, oh, sorry, this is gone. In the world today, there is so many people that are getting dementia.
Yes.
Okay. We've only got
Yep.
10 minutes. So it's just telling me we've got another 10 minutes. So that's all right. We'll finish
Okay.
this and we'll do a little meditation. So many people have got dementia. Now, I've done a study on that. My mum also, and my whole mother's family, they all had dementia. Our minds were not meant to deteriorate. Do you know that?
Yes. Yep.
So it's when you stop doing the things that you love and you just exist, right? You just sit there and you exist. That's when you've given up.